Why do English speakers get everything? They get jobs, they get married, they get lost. So, what's the deal with this mysterious little verb? Welcome back to Yana's English Academy, where we make confusing English things easy and sometimes fun. Get is the chameleon of English. It changes its meaning more than a Hollywood actor changes roles. Oh, and real quick, did you know that 90% of people watching right now aren't subscribed? Don't be that person. Hit that subscribe button. It's free and it helps the channel grow and makes my day. So now let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. Get is like the go-to word when you receive something, buy something, or just manage to obtain it somehow. It's super handy because instead of memorizing 3 different verbs, receive, buy, and obtain, you can often just use get. For example, I got a letter. That means someone sent it to you. Maybe good news, maybe your electricity bill, who knows? She got a new phone. Here, get means she bought it. Not found it on the street, not won it in a raffle. She handed over cash or a credit card and it's hers now. Number 2, get plus a place means to arrive. Think of get as the casual, everyday way to talk about arriving somewhere. Native speakers almost never say arrive at the office in conversation. It sounds too formal. Instead, they'll say, I got home around 6. We got to the airport just in time. They get to work by 9. It's the same idea as arrive, but it sounds more relaxed and natural. Whenever you're talking about reaching a place, whether it's work, home, or a holiday destination, get is your go-to verb. Just remember, use get to plus the place. But skip the to with home. We say get home, not get to home. It's one of those little grammar shortcuts that makes you sound way more fluent. Number 3, get plus adjective means become. This one is sneaky. Get likes to express feelings and changes. When something changes state, like from warm to cold or from calm to angry, we use get to describe that transition. It's like saying become, but way more natural in everyday English. For example, I'm getting tired. You weren't before, but now yawns are coming. Or she got nervous before their exam. Makes total sense. Exams are stressful. It's getting dark. The sun's going down and the street lights are waking up. You can use get with tons of adjectives. Hungry, excited, sick, bored, rich. If you're lucky, just don't get lazy with it. Number 4, everyday expressions with get. This is where get shows off. It pops up in so many expressions that you might think it has magical powers. Native speakers use these all the time, and once you start recognizing them, English becomes way easier to understand. Let's look at some. To get up, what your alarm wants you to do. Get along with. If you say, I get along with my boss, that's a good sign. If not, update your resume. Get over something, like a cold or maybe your ex. Get married or get divorced. Big life events. One comes with cake and the other with paperwork. These phrases are gold. Memorize a few and you'll sound 10 times more fluent. Number 5. Get plus past participle, passive in informal English. Here is a fun trick. In informal, everyday English, people often use get instead of be when they talk about something that happened to them, especially in the passive voice. It sounds much more casual. For example, he got fired. Not was fired, got fired. Ouch. My phone got stolen. Sad story, but common. She got promoted. High five. Number 6. Get plus object plus past participle means to ask or pay someone to do something. You know those days when you don't want to do something yourself, like fix the car or cut your own hair or paint the ceiling? That's where this structure comes in. Instead of saying I had my hair cut, you can say I got my hair cut. Someone else did it, thank goodness. He got his car repaired. He didn't fix it himself. He paid someone with actual skills. We got our house painted. You stayed clean. The painters got messy. This structure is perfect for when you ask or pay someone to do something for you. Lazy? No. Efficient? Absolutely. Number 7. Get plus object plus to plus infinitive means to make or persuade someone. And here's where get becomes a little bossy, but in a good way. When you get someone to do something, you're persuading them, convincing them, or just being charming enough that they say yes. This isn't physical force, it's people skills. For example, I got my friend to help me move. Translation, I begged, maybe offered pizza. She got the kids to do their homework. That's a superhero move. We got him to agree to the deal. Sounds like negotiation success. So if you ever need to encourage someone to do something, use this structure. Just don't forget the to before the verb. So let's quickly get things straight. Today, you'll learn how the verb get can mean receive, arrive, become, and even make someone do something. We also looked at how to use get in passive structures, in everyday expressions, and when you want someone else to do the work for you. Not bad for one tiny word, right? If you found this helpful, make sure to check out my other videos on conditionals, 25 English idioms about feelings and emotions, and 20 English idioms about success. They're full of practical tips and natural phrases that'll boost your fluency fast. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, get confident, get speaking, and get excited about your English journey.